Ayodele, cousin, Iano. Well, Ayodele is actually a second cousin, which is the son of my cousin Julia. Iano, yeah. Second cousin, daughter of my cousin Julia. Oh yes. Some of the family members: Donnet, Uncle Hillman, Auntie Jacqueline, Auntie Brenda, grandfather, Daddy, Julian Harper, Julia Harper, Cynthia Harper, grandmother, Uncle Keith, Uncle Julian, my mother Glenda, cousin Delia, Uncle Kent. Ooh, a large group of family members. Some exes even. Too much to mention. Zaria, that's my second cousin, daughter of my cousin Diane, and my beautiful cousin Janelle. Looking splendid. Um, ah, some of my favorites: Janelle, cousin, Diane, cousin, Auntie Brenda. Another picture of Yano when she was young. Nice skin. Some of the special ones: Delia, cousin, daughter of my aunt Brenda. Donnet, daughter of my aunt Jacqueline. Julia, daughter of my aunt Brenda. My grandmother, Cynthia Harper, move this out of the Cynthia Harper, and my aunt Cynthia Harper. Cynthia Harper and Julian Harper. Keston and Kevin Harper, cousins, sons of my uncle Julian. And reaching up high, Livy, my second cousin. That's the daughter of my cousin Janelle Harper. No, yeah, Janelle Harper, but this is Janelle Harper. Okay, Akisha Harper, and the boy is the son of Donnet Harper, which is my cousins, and my second. All these children are second cousins. Tisha is the short little girl, and Talisha is the taller girl, the tallest of the three kids. All second cousins. Nice picture here. Nice picture of the family. That's my cousin's husband Miguel, cousin-in-law, Julia, and Ayodele and Iano, and the two lovely kids. My daughter Butsi when she was small. Lovely girl. Cynthia Harper, grandmother, when she was much younger. And grandmother, a little while before she died, and that's her in Miami with my cousin Julia. Grandfather Julian Harper. When he was much younger. Yeah. How life changes Julian Harper. And my grandmother, Cynthia Harper, when she was much younger. And cousins, Auntie Merle. That's the camera. Right. Josiah. This is the son of Julian Harper. My cousin. I think, yeah, that's basically the immediate family right there. Yeah, this is the house as it is on Tuesday, the 29th, 2013. Julia's old room. And Donald's old room. Well, the living room is actually locked with a deadbolt. Deadbolt. So, don't know how to keep it up. So. And that's it. The house that Cynthia and Julian Harper built. Hopefully, many years from now, descendants could look back on this video and say, well, yes, give thanks for everything, eh? The old yard where we used to play. Daddy fishes that he died and left. Many years from now, all of that will be gone. Doing these video blogs because it's pretty amazing how things change, how life change, and how things just don't stay the same. Just carrying you to take a look from the lovely Harper view on the veranda to the view that Julian and Cynthia Harper took in every morning while drinking tea. So before Any new buildings go up or anything else change, I just want to give you the view. View of Dunder Hill Road in 2015. What a beautiful view. Some people will kill for a view like this. That's Anil living next door there. That's the son of Larry and Das. I mean, you guys may not know who that is, yes or no, but those were some special people while growing up. Ah boy, getting time to catch Looping Road characters. Wolfie going down the road, brothers. I want to take my time and pan properly. That's also taking the scene. And you'll see carefully we're coming into the sunrise. That is some beautiful shit. Beautiful. The sunrise. That's what we're talking about. Huh? Way boy, life is so good, eh? Those are the simple things that make life so beautiful. Sunrise. Ah yes. The yard where I born and grow and play and push skates and fell and ride roller blades. Basically nothing has changed. It all really has stayed the same. But the thing about it is that I know a couple of years from now, 10, 20, 50 years from now, nobody's even going to remember it like this. Love and respect. Later.